Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 1st, 2026, and we're diving into authID's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. authID has been making waves in the biometric identity verification space, and their latest report provides some interesting insights into their financial and operational performance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. authID reported a total revenue of $0.4 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, which is a significant increase from $0.2 million in the same quarter last year. John, what does this tell us about the company's growth trajectory?
While the revenue growth is notable, it's important to consider the broader context. The company is still operating at a net loss of $4 million for the quarter, although this is an improvement from the $4.6 million loss a year ago. Operating expenses have decreased slightly to $4.5 million, and the adjusted EBITDA loss has improved to $3.0 million from $4.1 million. This suggests that authID is making strides in managing its costs while trying to scale its operations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Looking at their operational metrics, authID's annual recurring revenue ARR has increased to $1.8 million. However, their gross booked annual recurring revenue through for Q4 2025 is only $0.1 million. What does this indicate about their future prospects?
The increase in ARR is a positive sign, indicating that authID is successfully converting more of its business into recurring revenue. However, the decline in gross bARR suggests challenges in securing new contracts or expanding existing ones. Despite this, CEO Rhon Daguro expressed optimism about the future, highlighting ongoing proof-of-concept stages with 6 major companies. This could potentially lead to significant revenue growth if these trials convert into full-scale deployments.
Key takeaways. In summary, authID has shown revenue growth and improved its net loss position while actively expanding strategic partnerships. The future looks promising with ongoing proof-of-concept trials. John, any final thoughts on authID's investment prospects?
authID is positioned well in the growing biometric identity verification market. While there are challenges, their strategic initiatives and partnerships provide a solid foundation for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on how these partnerships translate into revenue and profitability improvements.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on authID's performance in the comments below.